back during the days of Endless War. 1 million Beast-11 soldiers were created at that time.
So then witches made the beast fallen?
Ugh. If you don't give me some soup right now, I'll use my sorcery on you. Dearth in the north. Plagues in the south. Swarms of hungry rats in the west. Crippling drought chokes in the east. Ugh. It's your fault. Your greed. You will bring the world to an end. Did you enjoy me lying on top of you?
No, I did not!
Well, aren't you boring? Okay then, guess the two of us will just have to continue as inanimate objects. You'll be the floor rug, and I'll be a soft, squishy body pillow.
You're not making any damn sense!
Ugh.